Alright, welcome back, or welcome to the first ever MotoVlog with Steven Aldaco. I'm going to put this part of the video in the very front because I filmed it earlier. I was thinking, I love you guys, but you shouldn't know exactly where I live. Anyway, this is the bike, wr250x. I've had it maybe 4 or 5 years now, and it's awesome. I love it. It's got its little quirks, but she runs like a dream. Anyway, it is Mother's Day, and I just went for a workout, and now let's cut to where I originally started. Boom. This is my first time doing a MotoVlog, so we'll see how it goes. We're still quarantined. Well, not really. This is the first day. This is the first weekend that we're not in the quarantine, and yeah, things are looking pretty good. I went on a motorcycle ride yesterday, and it was super awesome. I was with my buddies. And we were just cruising along, you know. Went through some canyon roads, got some nice footage of them. Oh, she's got flowers. Is she gonna cross? No. Alright. It's Mother's Day, that's right. That's why she has flowers. Alright. So we're gonna do a little working out today. Gonna go to my spot where I use the pull-up bar and stuff. Ooh, El Camino. Very nice. Ooh, Miata. Let's go catch up to that Miata. Give him a little thumbs up, yeah? Spread the love. Or he doesn't want to look at me, that's okay too. Alright. There he goes. That's right, boy. Maybe he's just shy. So I live in Orange County, and there's always no shortage of nice cars around here. Teslas, there's 2 red Teslas up front, there's a Porsche up there, look at that, M3, another Miata. And a Tesla, 2 Teslas, look at that. So yeah, maybe I'll combine these 2 videos, but I was talking about how on the motorcycle you just get into this like zen state of, I don't want to talk about that. Look at, it's a nice Miata, I like the color. I used to have a Miata. A red one. Old school. Maybe I'll put a picture up. You glad. Alright. This little hilly road is super fun. I got on this motorcycle, I have I got higher gearing, so I don't really have much of a high top speed, but definitely more torque. I mean, I've never seen police on this road, but there are bikers and pedestrians. You gotta be a little bit careful around here. Got another Porsche right there. Skirt. Very nice. Whoop, first gear. BMW. I wonder how many hundreds of thousands of dollars I've just passed. Bikers wearing masks. I mean, come on. Do you really need a mask outdoors like that? You can't even breathe. Happy Mother's Day, lady. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Not. Oh, the mask. I get it. Well. Alright. So we're gonna come up here. It's my workout spot. Don't get me wrong, I think masks are important to like protect yourselves and others, even if you're not sick. But I mean, come on, you're on a bicycle. No one's gonna... You're plenty of space away. Alright. Maybe that'll conclude this motovlog, or maybe I'll keep it going. We'll see.